It's loud. It's loud. It's loud like always. What's going on? What's going on? Just gotta take a breather. I hope everybody's doing well. Like I always like to ask. As for myself, I'm one day at a time. Over the weekend, I end up happening to find the issue with the car. Couple things. When I order parts, I end up putting them in, no problem. I got the fuel regulator in there. This is one of them. I don't like it because somehow it's not matching with the fuel rail. So that's number one. Number two is it's so nice outside. And number two, what else did I put in here? Oh, a fuel line in here, the braided line, which I thought was pretty cool. I can't get it. All right, there we go. Fuel line, which is pretty good to change out something a little different. I actually did my AC hose, which that don't sound right? AC hose. Changed out my AC line, and that fit very well. The sun is so nice, but it's still a little windy. And so the other part I was having a problem with, I think why the car would not start, is the fact that it had bad gas was one. I put some cleaner in there probably a month ago, and it changed light green. So when I took the gas out over the weekend, I kind of figured that's what it was. Let me see if I can get a swab in here. Nope, I probably put it in the trash. Nope, I didn't. Wow. Stuff I don't even keep and I keep it. Let me see if I get a little sample out of here. And kind of give you, kind of like a bright. Let me see if I can stick my hand in there. I don't want to. Yeah. Yep. That's not even green. It's dirty. All right. Look, you'll get the gist of it. Yeah, it was lightly green. Siphon out that gas. And so, got that done. The other problem I also had was when I started the car, I had this AM fuel pressure regulator. And when I started, I heard this loud sound. So I'm assuming it made a little dip, and I guess it wasn't hold. I don't know what happened. It wasn't working well. I don't know. I tried to adjust it to a point like it flows, and see the little indent it made. It actually exploded. So actually, there we go. Little rip. So that being said, with that, I had to end up getting that blue one. That blue one is that I match it with my aftermarket fuel rail. And I was like, you know what, this is not working out. So I gotta probably take that one out. I have my stock one in there, and I have another aftermarket. So either of those gonna have to work. Also, I took my fuel pump. This is how bad it is. Actually, this is it right here. Oh, perfect. Here is my fuel pump. Oh, rusted and corroded. Yep. All around. So I definitely had to have some type of corrosion with that. And I actually bought this pump a couple of years ago too. I don't think I did. Ooh, I don't even think I even swapped this out. Nope. Huh, how nice. Nope. Such a scrolling moment. But I don't think I have to swap that out. So this week I am getting a new one. Put a new pump in here, clean it out real good. Actually, let me see if you can tell. I don't know if it's show a little down, but that's the color of my gas was. Actually, that's the color of the gas. So I'm gonna end up flopping this out, cleaning it out real good this week. Hopefully it'll be in here this week. It's Thursday, I can do that. Put everything fresh back in here. Figure out the fuel rail, which I'll be very, very happy to do. Get that out the way. So, yep, so that will be my fun vlog for today. Also, I end up having to swap out my negative terminal. These things do not freaking work at all. I didn't connect the clamps to my cable wire to the metal. This thing sucks. You probably have to clean it out just to make it silver again. So I had to go back to my old school one. That one works better. In that case of trying to figure out the car, we're getting there. We're definitely getting there. It's gonna be one hell of a problem solving with this car. Sorry about the noise. It's loud and on. I hate this door. But yeah, so we're pretty much, there you go. Pretty much is on that noise, That's probably why the car didn't really start as quick as I thought. Sound like it did want to start. And whew, it's nice outside. Whew. Yes. So I think that's number one. That's probably why the car didn't want to start. Number two, fuel pump. I'm just going to try to get this car at least running. I think it will run after I finish. Oh, excuse me. After I finish getting this fuel pump in, and I'll be a happiest camper ever. So I think that's gonna probably be my saving grace from there. And so thanks for tuning in, and catch you down on the rebound. Peace.